Tina? We're doing the first offer of the dinner shift. It is from Here Change, and this morning at lunchtime was super slow. I went home. It is too hot to be just running your air condition. So I got the first order. When I took the order, was I don't know, like $14+ for a little over 4 miles. So it is a decent offer, and hopefully they have it ready. Okay guys, so we're here at Here Change, and the order is for this person, Jennifer M. Thank you. Hey guys, so we got the order, and now we're going to head to the car, bag it, take it to the customer, guys, and grab the money. Guys, so we're doing the drop off to 74216. And let me see what you want me to do. Okay, so okay guys, so that one is done. So hopefully we can get, you're welcome, have a good day. Hopefully we can get more offers. Okay guys, we're working on the next pickup of the dinner shift, and the parking lots are empty. Normally this is crowded, so I don't know, maybe people went to the beach or whatever, who knows what's going on. There is concert. I'm going
Get to your pickup in Takahana.
Hey, how are you? Hey, I got a pickup for Summer. Summer?
Summer, okay.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. So, I'm going to do a series touching on Easter that's coming up, and I also going to do another one of dashing and multi-apping, whatever you want to call it, for Coachella. Coachella is here. Coachella is the city, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes from here, 20 minutes driving, and they're gonna have Coachella. It's a huge concert, and I believe that is after Easter. I believe so. So we will see. Hopefully everything works out, and we can do the series to see, if it's a good idea to touch when you have big concerts or for Easter. Okay guys, so we're working on the next drop-off for Pokema, and I believe it is out right here. And I got the guy, let me see what the guy says. Leave it at the front gate. I guess it's this one right here, right? Yeah. Leave it at the front gate. Okay. I don't even know how this. Pokema. Okay guys, so that's it. Hopefully we can get more offers. Okay guys, so the next pickup of the night is from the Daily Grill, and it is for 5 items. Pretty good for the family dinner. You're welcome. You're welcome, lady. Okay, guys, so we got the pickup, and now it's time to bag it, take it to the customer, and grab the money. Okay, guys, so we are working on the next drop-off, and this is like a little complicated. It says that the address is 701 and let me check, unless there is an enter right there. The fuck am I supposed to know this an enter? I think the enter is over here somewhere, because this is 701. So, and not directions. Like people should put directions. Oh, 702. So it's like a community over here, but I'm looking for the house. So that's 701. The fuck is 702? Chipotle Krebs Lane. Hi, for the and for Tina.
Yes.
Sorry. Yeah. That's fine. Oh, sorry about that.
No problem. Those,
you're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're working on the next pickup of the night, and I almost make a mess for the last drop off. The daily girls need to get better bags. In the bag was poop. Okay, so the next pickup is from Red Lobster. What I took the offer was $13 for around 4 miles and something, so pretty decent. So hopefully they have it ready. Okay, guys, I got the pickup from Red Lobster. Oh my god, these people need to really get better bags. This guy almost hit me. Anyway, so let me back this up, and then I got another pickup at Chipotle, which is across the street. Okay, guys, so I'm working on the Chipotle pickup, and it's this right here. Let me see for who it is. It is for it is for Christine G.
It's for the back to the right. And a large drink or regular? Okay. It's going to be 2046.
Okay, guys, so we got the order. Gee, the lady policy. Anyway, so let's do this, guys. Let me pack it and start delivering these offers. Okay, guys, so we're doing the last pickup. I believe it's this house right here, 72883.
Head to your drop-off at 72883 Willow Street.
Okay guys, so that is done. Now I need to go and hurry up and drop off the other one. Guys, so we're doing the Red Lobster Delivery. And guys, this is the same place where my truck broke down. So today is like a revenge. I was parked in that spot right there next to the black car on the other side, and I came to this building number 2, which is this one right here. I believe so, right? So what is this? Oh, not sure. Okay, this says that is building 2. So what's the address? It says gate code, second building on the left. I think it's that one right there. And then that's it guys. So hopefully the truck is still running. Guys, next pickup of the night, it is from Applebee's, which is right here. So hopefully they have it ready. It should be, I don't know how many items. I think the offer was $14 for miles and something. So for Richard B. Hey guys, so we got the order. Had to wait, I don't know, like 10 minutes. It was in the back, but anyway, so we got it. Let me bag it and get on the way. Okay guys, so we're doing the drop off from Applebee's.
Head to your drop off at 41375 Carlotta DR.
I believe it's that one. Okay guys, so that is done. Now hopefully we can get more offers. Okay guys, we're working on the next pickups of the night, and this is from Luna Grill. This is a stack order, and one of them looks pretty good. So hopefully they have it ready. Okay guys, so I got the order. So I had to wait like 10 minutes, but that's okay. So I asked the lady to put it into 2 different bags, because if this is for 7 items and they normally just pack everything in one huge box, which I do not like, because I cannot put it in my truck. I cannot put it in this bag. So let me bag it and get on my way. Okay guys, so we are doing the first drop off from Luna Grill, and this is for this apartment building. This is 6B. Okay, see what is B. This is 6. What is this? They don't even put C. 6B. Okay, so let me check. Make sure I am in the right building. No, okay. This is 6B. Jeez, you can barely see the bin. They should put the bill right there. Anyway, so let's get this done, guys. All right, right there. let me get on the way to drop off the other one. The other one I believe is in the reserve, which is one of the most expensive areas here in the valley, but it's in the hills, in the mountains. So hopefully this baby doesn't give up on me there. It'll be a hassle try to get it out of the reserve. So we're here. Dropping the food off. Hi, how are you? You want me to just put it right there?
Oh, yep, that's good.
Okay. How is your night going, ma'am?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. Okay. Have a great night, ma'am.
I'm ready to see you too.
Okay, guys. That's done.